Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me. First off, I'm sorry about the lighting. It might be a little bit off because there's a storm coming, but I did want to film today because this is going to be my finale for my Project 10 Pan, and this is a collab with Courtney K. I just want to thank Courtney for doing this collab with me. It's been so much fun. I've got some use out of these products, which I might not have done so if it wasn't for this project, and it's been really fun. And yeah, I'm just going to share with you guys the product that I finished in this project. I didn't finish everything, but I made some good progress on the majority of these products, and I did actually finish some. So without further ado, I'm just going to get started and share with you guys the product that I finished previously, and then share with you what I finished in this update or finale. So previously I finished off the Sephora Orchid face mask. This was okay. It was a sheet mask. It was nice. Not something I would repurchase though, just because the Sephora collection does test on animals. But you know, it was fine to use and I enjoyed it. I finished off 2 lip balms here. The first one is a chapstick, and this is in the scent Strawberry. This was nice. Again, my lips were really chapped throughout the winter and whatnot, and this, you know, did the job. I wouldn't repurchase though, again, because chapstick is not cruelty free, I'm pretty sure, but you know, it was fine, and if I had it again, I would definitely use it. This I actually miss, but I haven't repurchased it yet. But this is the Brazilian Kiss lip balm from Sol de Janeiro. I love the scent of this. It's so moisturizing, but the only reason why I haven't repurchased it yet is, 1, I have other lip balms I need to get through, and 2, it is quite pricey for what it is, and I would rather wait for like a VIB sale, or you know, wait until it's on sale in general, or to get it as a Christmas gift. So I don't know that I'll be repurchasing it anytime soon, but you know, if I had it again, I would definitely use it. But I finished that. I also finished the Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown. There's nothing left in here. I really like this brow pencil, and I threw it in this project because I was kind of neglecting it a little bit because I was using other brow products, but I've gotten back into using these Brow Wizes and I love them, so love that. I finished off my NARS Velvet Lip Glide in the shade Bound. Let me see if I can get you guys a swatch. There's like nothing left of this. Yeah, that's the best I can do. But it was kind of like a sheer kind of, I don't know, lipstick, and it's more of a like in between a lipstick and a lip gloss. Like, it's a glossy finish, but it dries down to be a matte finish after about a half an hour. So it's kind of like a gloss liquid lipstick is the best way I could describe it, and I did enjoy it. I won't be repurchasing though because NARS does test on animals now, unfortunately. And that was everything that I finished off in the previous updates. Now moving on to the product that I finished off in this update or finale. The first one is really exciting. This is the Buxom Lip Gloss in the shade Wesley. There's like nothing left of this. There might be like a little bit at the bottom, but I can't get it out. I'm going to see if I can give you guys a swatch of this as well. It's kind of settled. So it's just kind of like a sheer sparkly pink shade, which sounds kind of scary, but really it wasn't as bad as it sounds. So that's what it looks like. It was pretty sheer, and I love the Buxom glosses, but not the shade. I feel like I like more of the like nude kind of mauve shades, where this one was a little bit too pink for me, but overall I love the Buxom glosses. So there is that. And then this is really exciting, but this is the Glam Glow Thirsty Mud, and this was a mask, and my goal was in this project to finish off as many masks as I could, just because I'm not really into masking. Like, I like masking, but I always forget to do it. So this was kind of a good reminder that I needed to use masks, and I wanted to use up some of my masks that weren't like cruelty free. And yeah, this was one of them. I did enjoy this, but it smelled like coconuts and whatnot, but I would not repurchase it, and I don't really think it's anything that special, so I'm happy to have another mask out of the way. Alright, so that's everything that I finished in this project. Now I'm onto the products that are remaining in here. This I'm kind of disappointed that I didn't finish, but it's whatever. I know eventually it will get finished, and that's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I'm all the way down to here. I feel like this product goes very slow because you don't need to twist up, or you don't need to, you know, apply a lot of this, and anytime I twist this, I feel like I get like 2 or 3 uses out of like the sponge, so I don't really need to, you know, twist it every time I use it. But I know eventually this will get finished, but it did not in this project, unfortunately. Same goes for the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Tint Foundation or Tinted Moisturizer. I made some really good progress on this. So I'm like somewhere in between, like right down here and maybe a little bit further. But there's a ton of this stuck on the sides. And I like this product, but I find that since it's getting hot finally here in Michigan, that I can't really use this that often anymore, just because it's more of a hydrating product and I do have combination to oily skin. So I might put this aside and start to use it again in the fall. I haven't really decided yet, because I do want to move this out of my collection as soon as possible, just because it's not cruelty free. So let me know your guys' thoughts, if I should just suffer through this in the summer and use it, or if I should wait until like fall time and, you know, just use it then. I'm not really sure. This is the Benefit Moisturizer, and I mentioned, I think it was in my previous update, that I thought it was breaking me out, so I went ahead and started using it on my neck, and that seems to be working. I obviously haven't been making a ton of progress on it just because I only use it on like this specific area, but overall it works fine for that, and I know this will get used up eventually. So I'm about right down to here, so there's quite a bit of this left, but it's a slow moving progress, I guess. And then I have my Buxom Full On Lipstick in the shade Brooklyn. You guys, I really haven't been using this, to be honest. I just haven't been reaching for this dark of a shade, I guess. I love this, but this is where I'm at with that. I think it's probably the same as it was before. I will give you guys a swatch of this. This is a beautiful shade, but it's more like a, like I said, it's more of a winter shade, or fall and winter shade for me. And, yeah, I just haven't been reaching for shades like this, so haven't really made too much progress on this, but I do like this, and I know I will be using it this fall and winter coming up, so there's that. And then finally, I have the remaining masks in this project. Now, as I stated in my introduction and my updates, I did not want to finish all of these. I just wanted to make some progress on them, and I did. Obviously, I didn't touch either of these sheet masks, the Sephora Pomegranate Face Mask or the Saturday Skin Mask, so we're not even going to talk about those. Same goes for the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask. I really didn't use this. Or the First Aid Beauty 5-in-1 Bouncy Mask. Didn't really use that. However, I did use the Ulla Hendrickson Hydrochlide Detox Mask a few times, and I like this. I've been having a lot of, like, congestion. I guess, what's the word? Is that the word I'm looking for? I don't know, where my pores have been really clogged on my, like, T-zone area, so this has been helping, and I like it, but I was mainly focusing on this one and the Glam Glow, so that's why I didn't make any progress on the other ones. But yeah, that's my update and finale for this Project 10 pan with collab with Courtney K. Again, I just want to thank Courtney for just being an awesome friend and for doing this collab with me, and I'm so excited to see what products she finished, if she finished all of her products. But overall, I'm just happy that I was able to move some of these products out and to make some really good progress on the rest of these products. Sometimes it's not about finishing everything, it's just about getting use out of your products and just, you know, using them if you know, getting use out of them. So, while it's always nice to finish a product, you don't always have to, is how I feel. But, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please take a moment and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.